Hello everyone, today we're going to make some cute teddy bears. You can make it more realistic or you can make a teddy bear. So as you can see, it is hollow in the bottom, and I'm just finishing up the little touches on him, and I'll show you how to get that body started. There he is. So first thing we're going to do is just start with kind of like an oval piece of clay and then tap. That will be like the bottom. And then you're going to hollow this. So we're going to make it almost like a pinch pot. So you're going to put your thumb, press your thumb right down into it. And then with your fingers flat, you're going to flatten out the sides. So we're going to get this kind of like up longer. We don't want it to be flattened out too much because this is actually the body of the bear. All right, so that is the shape I have for my body to start with. And now we're going to do the head. So as you can see, it's kind of longer than it is around. And the head, we can make a circle. And you don't want too much clay for this because we are going to do the same thing. And we're going to kind of close that up. So this is the top of the bear's head. All right, so that is going to go on there like this. When you add clay to clay, you're going to always score it. So I'm going to take a little water and put water there and put water here. All right, and then I'm scoring. Make sure you have some good scoring. And then you are going to just kind of wiggle. Now, what I want to do is get some paper towel and put the paper towel in the body so that the body doesn't collapse on me. So I'm just going to stuff the body. All right, and now we're gonna have our arms and legs. You have to have some nice long coils. So we're gonna make this into kind of like a log shape, and you're going to put your hands in the center and kind of go out and make your coil. Okay, so something like this, and then we can make arms and legs out of this. So let's go about right there. Let's see. That looks good. So we're going to kind of cut the same size. All right. Now, when I make the legs, we're going to want to have the paws down there. So I kind of just take this in my hands and I put my my fingers up a little bit and then just tap on the table. Okay, and then it kind of makes your foot so that it's a little more round on the bottom. So I've got that one. Okay, so there's my 2 feet. Those are gonna go on the side like this. And then you can either put the arms like where they're resting on the side, or you can put your arms where they're kind of resting in the front like this one. So it kind of depends where you want those arms. So your arms are kind of the same type of thing, and you have to make sure you're scoring that. Get your little paws going. Okay, now we have a little part for his mouth and nose. So we're gonna actually take a little ball of clay, and then I just kind of do this. And then we're gonna get our ears on and our eyes. And that is your basic bear body. Little ears. Okay, super score. Make sure your ears aren't that big because the bear's ears are not very big. And you're gonna make your little nose. mouth, eyes. Okay, and you can make your eyes a little different if you want to, like if you kind of put a little something inside of the hole that you're kind of making for the eyes. And eyebrows, you just want, like, make sure they're kind of raised up. All right, and that's the basic of the little teddy bear. And we want to make sure we get a little tail on in the back side there. And you're gonna smooth this all up, and that's your little bear body. All right, and then you can do some fun things with the stitching. If you want it to stitch down the center, you know, the paws, however you want to do the paws. And, you know, little fun things like if you wanted to do a little heart on the tummy, or you want to do a little patch. Add any of your own fun personal touches. And here we go, our own little teddy bear. So have fun, good luck, and I'll see you next time. Bye.